Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn how to blink built-in LED of Arduino Uno board. For this project, we will make it in Autodesk Tinkerpad. So go to their website and sign in to your account, and then click Circuits, and then create new circuit. So for this project, you will only need a regular Arduino Uno board. For the coding, let's start. This website offers blocks coding and the classic text coding. Built-in LED is set to high. High means LED turn on, and low means LED turn off. Wait means the duration of the LED turning on or off. Built-in LED in text coding is pin 13. Wait is delay, and 1 second is 1000 milliseconds. Let's try out the code. As you see, the LED turns on and off with an interval of 1 second. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like, leave a comment, and share it to your friends.